Hi, Andy. Enjoy your overnight with your classmates. I know you've been looking forward to this. Enjoy cooking, enjoy swimming, enjoy doing things together, and just enjoy everything that made up the whole year. It was a really good year, and I know you're very, very happy with your classmates, most especially to your teachers who've been so caring for you and your classmates. Have fun. Maybe I'm going to miss you tonight because I won't get to hug you. I won't get to hug you, but like tonight at Enchanted Kingdom, you're going to have a great time again. Love you, babes.
Oh, ano sa'yo mo?
Hello! Good morning! Here's my classmates. Sarap!
Dana, mapapasok pa din.
Ayan! Hello!
Hello!
Happy birthday to you! Tama na yan.
Amor. At all, ah. No. Sobrang cheesy at paglakas.
One, two, three, let's go guys!